Hello guys, I'm here back again to share with you another method to make money online. No matter how well you are, just make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the like button and comment. You can also share it for people to also benefit from it too. In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to make money just by listening to music. Is that possible? Some people just saying, I should hear that. Some people are saying, is that possible? It's very possible. You can make money just by listening to music online. How can that possible? I'm going to show you right now, and you're going to know this is possible after you see it, and you're going to see that this is real. If I don't collect money, I will not show any video to anybody. I've collect money from this app. They pay me, that's why I have to make this video for you to watch it. So I'm on my way now. I'm not going to talk about the name of the application right now, because if I talk about it, you will not even listen. Just go and do it. No, I'm going to tell you how you're going to do it. They're going to give you money every time, no matter how well you are. If you are in Nigeria, you are in India, you are in Canada, no matter anywhere in the whole world, you can do this and make money with it. So I'm going now. Just what you're going to do is just make sure you have a Gmail account. That's what you need. You don't need to pay money to start with this application I'm talking about. You're just going to open the app. This is the application I'm talking about. The name of the application is called Current. This is Current. Play music and get paid. Have you seen that? Play music and get paid. So you're going to make money when you're playing music. When you play music, you make money with this browser. So now, have you seen now? So play music to activate any. Okay, music any is off. Now I'm going to on the music playing. If I start playing music, I'm going to be any point on this application. So in this application, what you need to do is just by playing music. You can play music for 3 hours. You can even leave your phone and play music. As you are playing music, you are making money. Look at it. Look at this. 0.8 per minute. So if you play music, you're going to earn this. Now I'm going to play this music. You can play any music you like. I always play this one very well. This have you seen that? So as I'm playing music now, I'm making money. I've stopped it. The music earning is off. Tap here to activate. So as I'm playing it, I'm earning money. So I've stopped it now. I think you've seen what I'm talking about. If you go to earn, I'm going to earn now. You're going to see. Sorry, the network is very slow here. So this end, have you seen that? So if you go here, you're going to give you many things you're going to do to make money. You can click on this place. These are offers. They'll give you 20,000 points here, and this one they will give you. If you watch this video, you're going to give you 15 points here. Let me click on this video. If you also watch video here, they will give you money. I'm going to click on the video right now. So after clicking on the video, it's going to load and take me to the video I'm going to watch. After watching the video, it's
still playing those fake ass stupid money making games. Delete that bullshit. This is a 100% lucrative game.
So have you seen that? So I played music and I've earned points. Have you seen that? So let me go back. So I've earned points just by listening to just by watching this video. If I click on this offer too, it's going to take me to a lot of places where I'm going to complete some offers. After completing those offers, they're going to give me points to choose a type. So mega type. We have slick deals and omega offers. So have you seen that? So it's loading. So if this thing load to the offer, you're going to pick the offer you like. After that, you're going to do it. If you complete it, they'll give you your points. So how are you going to collect your money? Let me go back. Let me go back. Now let me go now. I will see now. So if you want to collect your money, go to redeem, click redeem. After clicking redeem, you can see, look at it. In this place, if you have 7,000, if you have 39,000 points, you're going to have $20. If you have 22,500 points, you're going to have this iWatch. You can get $22,010. So this is real. You don't, no matter where you are, you can make money with this application. It's really paying. It's going to pay. So you can also see. You can look at this one now. You click on this place. I'm very sorry. If you click on this place now, it's going to give you $3 Bitcoin plus $5 because I have 225 points. So if I click on it, it's going to give me this money. So on this application, you can really make money. So you don't need to wait. Just make sure you download the application and subscribe to the YouTube channel so that when next I'm uploading another video, you're going to be among the beneficiary. They're going to watch this video and make money with it. You can make money online no matter how people scam online. This is not a scam application. They really pay any money you want to make. Let me play music and see. Radio Love Dance. This one is not loading. Let me pay my power rent. The network is very slow. You're going to pay. So the higher music you play, the higher money you earn. Have you seen? So I think the network is very slow. That's why it's not playing right now. So what are you waiting for, guys? You can make money if you want to make. You can also invite people to join this place. So I think you've seen that. So you can make money on this application. You can also refer people too. You can refer people if you want to refer people. So what are you waiting for? You're gonna make it anytime you want to make it. So invite 10 friends and $85 in points per person plus of them. So what are you waiting for, brother? You can make money.